So this is DaVinci Resolve Studio 19. So for the past 4 years, I have been editing all my videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. So from this day, Sunday 7th December, I am switching to DaVinci Resolve, and here are the 3 reasons why I am doing it. Number 1. Price. So this studio version of DaVinci Resolve costs around 35,000 rupees. Yeah, I'm going to pause here and let that sink in. Yes, it is 35,000. Sounds insane, right? But I got it for 30,000. I will reveal how at the end of the video. But here's the thing, it's a one-time payment. No monthly subscriptions, no silent price hikes. So as I said before, I have been paying for Adobe Premiere Pro for like years now. And since I'm a small YouTuber, I thought 600 per month would never be a problem. But after spending so many years, I came to know how painful that subscription is. So when you add up those monthly payments over the years, this 30,000 suddenly starts to look like a smart investment and not an expense. And these words are coming from the most calculative, spreadsheet-loving, cost per month obsessed person you'll ever meet in your life. So if I'm calling it worth it, you know I have done the math. The only regret here is that I should have done it years ago. And the reason why I haven't done it actually become the reason number 2 for this video. So number 2, features. So I actually saw DaVinci in 2024 and the first look itself is daunting. I still remember seeing every one of these buttons, options, all at once. So it's a total nightmare. So compared to this, Premiere Pro seems like a cozy, friendly and almost welcoming experience. And that intimidation is actually why I avoided DaVinci for so long. And ironically, those very features that I was scared once has now become the reasons why I'm switching to DaVinci Resolve. So these tabs that you are seeing right now are actually a bunch of Adobe apps built right into one software. The edit page is your Premiere Pro. Fusion is basically After Effects. Farlight is Adobe Audition and Delivery works like Media Encoder. So simply saying, Blackmagic didn't create multiple subscriptions. They merged an entire production pipeline into one package. While Adobe chose to split everything into separate apps, Blackmagic chose to integrate everything into one single ecosystem. And that's when it clicked for me. DaVinci Resolve isn't complicated, it's complete. And once you understand that, those tabs will change into something powerful. Number 3, the AI train. So DaVinci Resolve didn't just add AI features, it clearly caught the AI train early. So things like Magic Mask, Smart Reframe, Relight, voice isolation that actually works, auto caption without third-party plugins. I mean, all of this actually built in one software. And once you start using these, Adobe suddenly feels like it is playing catch-up. I mean, not because Adobe is bad, but because Blackmagic chose to deeply integrate AI into editor instead of logging it behind extra apps or cloud subscriptions. I think this is the point where Adobe should make a note to improve. I mean, DaVinci Resolve is not trying to be flashy with AI. It is actually trying to be more useful. And for creators like me, that makes all the difference. Number 4, user-friendly community. Blackmagic is known for its user-friendly services and strong community base. So as you can see here, I have purchased DaVinci version 19 and right now I am able to get version 20 for free. I mean, do I need to say anything more to convince you? Okay, I will give you another one. I switched to Studio from free version and get this. The free version is capable of almost doing 80% of your work lists. I mean, Blackmagic is the most generous company I have seen in my entire life. Mind you, I have done all those Reddit searches, Quora investigations, listening to YouTube blabberings, and even surfing through endless forum talks. DaVinci is by far the best option and a clear winner. So if you are a new YouTuber, I advise you not to fall for the bottomless pit of subscriptions and learn DaVinci early no matter how daunting it is. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I almost forgot. So this is how I got DaVinci for 30,000 instead of 35,000. This website is called Design Info and it has helped me to get DaVinci at that price. This website is like the king of electronic devices and it is better than Amazon or Flipkart. I'll be making another video about this website sharing my experience because there is a lot more to share about it which I can't explain in one video. Subscribe to my channel so you can't miss it.